So let's talk about free iPhone. The greatest battle is actually not between influencers. It's between contentment and greed. Greed is very dangerous because it rarely announces itself. Hindi siya nagsisimula sa, "Uy, gusto kong makasira ng buhay ah. Uy, magpopromote ako ng sugal ah." Nagsisimula siya sa, "Okay lang to, malaki naman yung bayad, it's just an opportunity, and everyone else is doing it naman." Unti-unti, lumalaki yung appetite mo. Kung ano yung sapat kahapon, kulang na ngayon. Kung ano yung kinikita mo noon sa mga brand deals mo, gusto mo ngayon, doble na. Kung ano yung mga collabs na tinatanggap mo dati, gusto mo ngayon, mas malaki na. Hanggang sa isang araw, hindi mo na tinatanong kung tama pa ba to or may value pa ba akong binibigay sa audience ko. Ang tinatanong mo na lang, magkano yung bayad? Magkano yung kapalit nitong brand deal na to? Or magkano yung kapalit nitong endorsement na to? Because greed has a way of blinding our judgment. Hindi mo na nakikita yung tunay na kapalit. Kasi hindi na lang naman pera yung kapalit eh. When you endorse a casino, ang bayad niyan, buhay at pamilya ng mga Pilipino. May mga bata ng mga may cellphone at makikita nila na normal lang pala yung pagsusugal dahil favorite influencer ko yung nagpo-promote eh. Mga magulang na mababaon sa utang dahil naniniwala sila na may shortcut sa pagyaman. Wala pong shortcut sa pagyaman. Yes, in gambling, there will always be winners. Dito sa promotion na to, may mga mag-uuwi ng iPhone, that's for sure. May mga magpo-post ng celebration. Pero ang hindi natin nakikita, yung libo-libong Pilipino na matatalo dito. The ones who will lose their savings, the ones who will lose their peace, the ones who will lose their families. And as influencers, we were never called to maximize our income at the expense of other people's futures. Every opportunity is a blessing. Sometimes, it's a test. A test of what we truly worship. Money or obedience? Followers, engagement, or faithfulness? Influence is a gift from God. And one day, we will all give an account for how we used it. My prayer is may we never become so hungry for money that we stop caring about what our audience would pay for.